everybody. Oh my gosh, are you guys ready for... Oh wait. So I just bought the Animal Crossing DLC pack, which contains Dry Bowser, Isabelle, Villager, a female villager, and new cards. Everybody loves cards. This update also has new outfit, racing suits. So if you guys want me to get that, I'll try to. And if you have Mario Kart 8 yourself, the Animal Crossing DLC pack only costs $7. How many cents? Let's see. It costs $7.99. So let's start. Single player. Grand Prix. 100cc. I'll be the villager. Yeah, I'll be the villager. I have played on this a couple times before. So yeah, I hope that doesn't ruin your day. So let's start. So it's really early. I just ate breakfast. Ding ling a ding ling. Crossing Cup. Baby Park. Now that I think about it, don't you think it should be like a Lego for babies on their own to race? Oh. Also, this is my first Mario Kart episode, so if you like this episode and you want more of this, go leave a like and tell me on Monday if you want more. In the meantime, I'll just keep my mouth quiet. Oh, jeez. So that was Baby Park. Now next should be what's next? Cheeseland. Cheese. Who's ready for some cheese? Be sure to bring out your cheese packets and eat that cheese. Oh my goodness! Oh! Looks like we have a competition. Oh my goodness. Dang it! Sometimes I just hate the speed boost. Yes! Okay. Yeah. Say hi to my little sister. Say hi. Hi. You want to watch and sit? You want to sit down and watch? Next is where Wild Woods or Big Woods? Yeah, Wild Woods. Okay. Yes, it's a jungle. If you guys made it this far, then wow. Comment, hashtag, everybody meet Sarah. Or just put hashtag, yeah, put hashtag, everybody, oh my goodness. Yeah! Hey! Second out of 3. Or 2 out of 3. If you guys are enjoying this so far, then enjoy more. Because there's gonna be more. And if you guys, and if any of you watching this, and do in fact own an Animal Crossing, then I'd say, well, when we get to the Animal Crossing Road, please, if you see any of the characters in it, name all of those characters, and I'll mention your name in the next episode. fourth place. No, I'm third. Guess that's not too bad. Next race. Who's ready for the Animal Crossing DLC, whatever it's called, Trek? Animal Crossing Trek. Hey, I see Sable, and I call that purple cat Mr. Grumpy. What is that, a sheep? Oh, there's, what is his name? Robert? No, what's his name? Oh, let's just get on with the game. No! Hey! I just missed all of them. I can't believe that. So, oh, is that someone? This track does in fact change seasons. So, this is what is it? Summer, I guess. There's a winter season. There's a spring season. There's, I guess, the summer season. The stray! I wish I had the horn. If you guys don't know what the horn does, why I mentioned the horn, is because the horn does destroy the blue shell. Oh jeez, I need to be careful. Okay. I won't die. Oh, geez, Rossetti. Purple Grump. Oh, my goodness.
I got dirty.
Yes, I am dirty. I'm in. Oh, jeez, I thought I had a bomb on me. Okay, I can get one of them this time. Yes. Okay, where's a perfect spot to put this? Probably here. Oh, dang it. First place. Rossetti! Oh, jeez, I would have died if I... 60. Not bad at all. It's only been 14 minutes? 18 seconds? Going on with it. Get out the way. Okay, let's start. Oh, jeez, what's happening? Oh. Oh my goodness, she is blonde. Let's see, what do we have here? Ooh, new vehicle has been unlocked. And we have one more Grand Prix to do. Shalawanga dang dong. And there's, I think I'll be Dry Bowser, because why not? Ooh, what's this? Sponge. Nobody wants to be a sponge. Flame Rider. Bone Rattler. Yeah. Yeah. And there's the new 200cc, the fastest class speed. I tried it once for myself. It's so fast that I went over the building. Exactly. Now let's start with Big Blue because because why not? I mean, like, have you guys played F-Zero? That's what it's called, right? You know where Captain Falcon. So let's give it a try. Oh my goodness, is this the future? Is this Tomorrowland? Are you guys seeing the Tomorrowland movie? Okay, let's do this. Dun 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 dun. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ow! Oh jeez, this is so fast. I'm in 12th place. 12th place is the lowest place you can be in. Wow! Ow! Woohoo! Shalawaga ding dong! Hey! Get out the way! Ow, Jay! Woohoo! Because why not? Jeez. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Hi. Oh my god. Oh jeez, I'm out of mushrooms. Oh my goodness. Okay, ninth place. That's not too bad. Oh my gosh. Whoa. I'm in 8th place. Oh my goodness. Yes, I wanna quit. Yes, I wanna quit. No. It's just, if you guys made it this far, I guess I can let you watch a replay. Because why not? What's this one? It's loading. Jeez, I am so glad I am so glad I waited 5 weeks just for this to be released. Wait, Nintendo, I thought this was going to be released at the end of May. Okay, so that'll be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and see you tomorrow. Bye.